Hi guys, we're hiking at Bourlay Park in Leesburg, Florida. It's been about 12 years since I've been here. It's nice, relaxing, little scenery along the Lake Griffin. Lots of trails, old Florida cracker homes. If you're into birding, lots of different kinds of birds. Has marsh areas, gazebos, picnic areas, nice bathrooms. So you have to give it a try. It's pretty nice out.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's beautiful. It's a great place to relax.
So get out on those trails.
Thumbs up and make sure to leave a like and subscribe.